Move, Sue. Put some stuff on your lip because you just said you was finna do it and you didn't.
No, so it does pretty. Oh, it look like aluminum foil.
Leave them down below. All links to everything that I use will be linked. Oh my god.
Thought I'd end up with Sean, but it wasn't a match. Wrote some songs about Ricky, now I listen and laugh. Even almost got married, and for Pete I'm so thankful. Wish I could say thank you to Malcolm.
Okay, so hello guys, and on today's video I'm going to be showing you how I apply this basic, regular, but fun, cute wig here. Closure unit is so freaking pretty. I'm getting back into the wigs, y'all, and I am happy. At one point in my life I couldn't afford different wigs, and now I have some, so I can just be going through them. I wasn't going to be doing any kind of wig reviews, but that has now changed because I know everyone can't afford raw hair, which is my favorite. But I'm not going to be doing anybody's wig review who not up to my standard, which is kind of high, but I will be doing some, so stay tuned for that. All links to everything that I use in the video will be linked down below as well, and I'll see you guys in the next video. So hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, and on today's video I am going to be installing a wig with no cap. This is going to be a closure wig, just a basic unit, closure, natural color hair, raw Indian hair, curled, a few layers, so nothing too major. And I'm going to show you guys how I apply my units with no cap and boho liquid gold. So all of my hair stuff that I'm going to be using, and I have my shears, or they're scissors for sewing, and I like to use these because I don't have any pinking shears, and I'll leave a photo of what pinking shears look like over here. So I have already bleached the knots. I don't really like over bleaching my knots and getting every single dot bleached. That's just me. And I'm a ventilator, so I can ventilate the unit, ventilate the hair back in. But listen, I paid a lot of money for this, so there won't be any over bleaching for me because that makes your hair come out sooner. So I have already tinted the wig with my boho liquid gold lace tint in collaboration with Taylor Crowns, and then I'm just going to cut in zigzag motions. That's how it looks. You guys see that? I did make this unit so my wig tag is in the inside, and no glue. Y'all, this is a pretty unit I made. So this is gonna be in like my everyday collection of wigs I wear like on a regular. Of course, when you curl it, you can spruce it up a little bit for different events, but I kind of curled it so I can cut my layers in it, and it looks pretty good, but I am going to curl it a little bit more. I am going to apply the liquid gold, but again, you guys, this looks pretty good. You don't have to apply liquid gold or glue or anything. This is a lace closure, so you don't have to do anything. So you're basically fine. But I am going to apply some, and I just take some on my finger here. Yeah, I gotta see what I'm doing though. And I'm just putting that across the hairline. So I'm just going to pull it down here. And kind of just push it in the skin. Push it in the product rather. Okay. So I'm just gonna spray the towel and remove. And now we're gonna curl it. So it is pretty curled how I want it. I'm using a 2-inch curling iron from Conair. I got from Amazon. I will leave the link below. So I'm just curling everything back. The easiest way to curl. Different size curling irons doing the same technique will get you a different look. So
When they walk down the aisle, hold the hands of my mama, I'll be thanking my dad, cause she grew from the drama. Only wanna do it once real bad. Call me cause you last. God forbid something happens. At least this song is a smash. And got so much love, got so much patience. Learned from the pain.
and I like to use hairspray sometimes but since this cut, I cut it like in a style. I normally cut my wigs in styles so I can wear them straight, their natural state, if they're wavy or something like that. And I cut this one specifically in a style, so once the curls fall like you saw, it just gives it a little bit more messier look. So I don't think I'm going to use any hairspray. And this is really a very cute look, but very fun. Like you can wear this. You can wear this for an event. If you're going out, you can pull it back, leave some down in the front. Let me know if you guys want some of those videos, and I'll show you how you can pin up your lace closure units. I'm just trying to make sure the pieces that show the most, I want them curled, which are these that poke out a little bit. Oh my god, how is my camera dying? Okay, so this side is pretty much done. Again, I can put my fingers through it, but I like to let it sit. The inside of the curl that wraps around the barrel stays the warmest, the longest, because it's on the inside. So all of this in here, if I put my finger in there, is warm. It's warm now, so I just like to leave those, just push that to the back. Thank you guys for watching today's video. If you guys have any questions, please leave them down below. All links to everything that I use in the video will be linked down below as well. And I'll see you guys in the next video.